Hi guys, welcome all of you. Welcome our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. I explain about workshop. Basically four type of workshop: welding shop, fitting shop, carpentry shop and smithy shop. Explain about workshop. My name is Pranit Wadaskar. बेसिकली फोर टाइप होते हैं, ये मैंने जैसे बताया. आई वेल्डिंग एक्सप्लेन अबाउट वेल्डिंग प्रोसेसेस एंड वेल्डिंग क्लासिफिकेशन. देख लेते हैं पहले व्हाट इज द वेल्डिंग. वेल्डिंग क्या होता है? वेल्डिंग इज अ मटेरियल जॉइनिंग प्रोसेस विच प्रोड्यूसेस join the fluorescence of material by heating them to suitable temperature with or without the application of pressure, or by the application of pressure alone and without use of filler material. This is two sentence about important in definition. With or without the application of pressure, this is important. And next one is without use of filler material. This is also important. Two sentences important in this definition. Then it is used for making permanent joints. It is used for making permanent joints. Type of welding processes. Basically two type of welding processes. First one is plastic welding. This is also known as pressure welding. And second one is fusion welding. This is also known as non-pressure welding. This is two type of welding processes. Then explain up to main welding, plastic and fusion. Plastic welding is also known as pressure welding. Plastic welding, the pieces of metal to be joined are heated by plastic state and forced together by external pressure. Plastic state and forced together by external pressure. For example, जैसे कि resistance welding and force welding. Second one is fusion welding, is also known as non-pressure welding. The material at the joint is heated to the molten state and allowed to the solidify. Molten state and allowed to be solidify. For example, arc welding and gas welding. Basically two classification of welding. First one plastic welding था, second fusion welding था. And the classification of welding. Basically seven classification type of welding: gas welding, arc welding, resistance welding and so on. First gas welding. Three type of gas welding. First, oxyacetylene. Second, air acetylene. Third, oxyhydrogen. फर्स्ट सेकंड है आर्क वेल्डिंग. आर्क में आता है कार्बन आर्क वेल्डिंग, मेटल आर्क, प्लाज्मा आर्क, इलेक्ट्रोस्लैग आर्क, सबमर्ज आर्क, फ्लक्स कोर्ड आर्क, gas metal arc, also known as MIG, is important. And last one is gas tungsten, it is also important, known as TIG. Third one is resistance welding, but slot, seam, projection, percussion होता है रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग. फोर्थ वन इज टोरमिट वेल्डिंग एंड फिफ्थ वन इज सॉलिड स्टेट वेल्डिंग. फ्रिक्शन, अल्ट्रासोनियन, explosive and diffusion. And sixth one is advanced welding, electrobeam and laser. This is two. And last one is related process. In related process, arc welding, boraging, slurring, hard process, pressing, and oxy-accelerating cutting. This is classification of welding. Thank you all of you.